Here's how you make grandma's vanilla buttermilk pound cake from scratch. Just look at how moist that thing is. So the first thing I'm going to do is cream my butter and sugar together till it's white and fluffy. While that's mixing, I'm getting all my other ingredients together like the buttermilk and eggs. And we're going to add our eggs one egg at a time to our mixer on low speed. While that's going, I'm sifting my white lily flour, salt, and baking powder while adding some vanilla extract to my buttermilk. We're going to alternate our dry mix with our wet ingredient, and we're going to start and end with flour. All we have to do is add our cake batter to our well-prepared pan and bake it on 325 for an hour and 30 minutes and add a glaze. Make sure you get my pound cake ebook. Link will be in my bio. Here's how you make my 7-Up cream cheese pound cake. First, I'm going to get some white lily all-purpose flour. No, we don't use cake flour. And I'm going to add some baking powder to it. Then I'm going to put it to the side. Overnight, I put some lemon and lime peels in my sugar. And I let those lemon and lime oils get into my sugar before I mixed it. And then I removed those peels and then added my butter and cream cheese. And I mixed for about 5 minutes or until well combined. Then I added 6 eggs in one at a time. Make sure it was fully mixed before I added the next egg. And lastly, I'm going to alternate between my flour mixture and 1 cup of 7-Up, starting and ending with flour. After that, I added my batter to my cake pan. You can see how velvety smooth that is. Tap to get rid of the air bubbles. Bake on 325 for an hour and 25 minutes. I made a simple glaze with powdered sugar and 7-Up, poured it on there, and it was good to go. Like and follow for more recipes. If you make this brown butter cream cheese pound cake, you will win Thanksgiving. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to brown and cool 1 stick of butter, and then I'm going to add some more butter and cream cheese to my sugar, and I'm going to mix it till it becomes pale white. This is going to take around 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's pale white, I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time. I'm going to keep the mixture about medium speed. Then after that, I'm going to add in some homemade lemon extract and some clear vanilla extract. We're going to mix this till it's well combined. Then we're going to go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using white lily. You guys know I like white lily. When you add in your flour, don't over mix. It should have the consistency of a buttercream, smooth, and you should be able to glide your spatula through it. Place this cake into a cold oven set to 325, and you're going to bake it for about an hour and 30 minutes. Make sure you check with a toothpick after 1 hour, and you're good to go. This is the easiest cream cheese pound cake recipe on the internet, and you only need 5 minutes to make this. So first I'm going to add these ingredients in order, which is cake flour at the bottom, sugar on top of that, butter on top of that, cream cheese on top of that. You're going to add some already beaten eggs on top of that, and vanilla last. You're going to turn your stand mixer on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it looks like this. You're going to stop it and scrape down your bowl, and then you're going to mix this on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until it is well combined. Give it another mix with your spatula, but you're going to put this on 325 for an hour and 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. You can add a glaze if you want, but it's not needed. If you want this full recipe, it's in my Southern Pound Cakes 4 ebook. The link will be in my bio. Here's how you make my original golden velvety pound cake. So the first thing we're going to do is add some sugar, some butter, some cream cheese, and then we're going to go in with some sour cream. We're going to put that on the stand mixer, and we're going to mix that till it's well combined. You're going to mix for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's fluffy like this. Once it's fluffy, I'm adding in my eggs and my vanilla extract. Slowly stream that in. I pre-mixed my eggs so I didn't have to mix it as long. And after that is well combined, I'm going in with my all-purpose flour, salt, and baking powder. I'm just giving everything one final mix before I put it in my greased bunded pan. I'm going to put this in a cold oven set to 325, and we're going to bake for an hour and 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. If y'all want more specialty pound cakes, check out the link in my bio for my cookbook. I've made a lot of pound cakes, but this has to be my favorite. Here's how you make my brownie pound cake step by step. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sift 3 cups of flour and a half teaspoon of baking powder and put it to the side. Now to 3 sticks of butter, I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. I'm going to beat it till it becomes white. This is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to crack 5 eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract to it, and mix it in the mixture at 1 egg at a time. Now I have 1 cup of whole buttermilk, and I'm alternating between the buttermilk and the flour mixture. When it's done, it should be very velvety and smooth like this. Next, we're going to make our brownie to go inside of it. Now, I just used a brownie mix, but you guys can certainly go ahead and, do you a brownie from scratch. I really didn't feel like it. So I'm just alternating the cake batter and the brownie mix and then making some little swirls, sort of like we was making with the honey bun pound cake. An hour and 25 minutes on 325. Added some cream cheese frosting on top, and it's good to go. Like and follow for more videos.